Hey there, Halloween enthusiasts! Today, we're diving into the JUSTOTRY Halloween Pumpkin Carving Set, a 26-piece kit designed to make your pumpkin carving experience easy and safe for both adults and kids. This professional-grade set includes a hammer, pumpkin scooper, carving knife, and 23 stainless steel carving molds, allowing you to create over 1,000 unique pumpkin designs effortlessly. Made from premium stainless steel, these tools are thicker than standard ones, ensuring durability and preventing breakage, plus they're dishwasher-safe for easy cleanup. The carving tools are designed with safety in mind, featuring a rubber mallet and arc-designed stencils to protect little hands, making it perfect for all ages. This upgraded 2023 carving kit is not only a fantastic Halloween gift but also a way to create cherished memories with your loved ones. If you have any questions, their dedicated service team is ready to assist you within 24 hours. So, get ready to unleash your creativity and have a spectacular Halloween with the JUSTOTRY Pumpkin Carving Set. Thank you for watching, and if you're interested in learning more about this product, you can find additional details and a link to purchase it in the video description below.